Hey future scientists, this is the last activity in the Inertia series on the cruise ship. Try to see how tall you can make your tower. Have fun!
The last one, it's still Inertia, and for this one you have to get creative. It's the same, we have a piece of plastic cup, this index paper, and a clothespin, right? So, in these three elements, which one is the resting one?
Paper clip.
That one.
I mean the
This one, yes. So, if I move this one, what is supposed to happen?
It's supposed to not move.
Yes, it's supposed to just land on the cup,
Oh,
right?
you're trying to make it not move.
Yes. Do you want to do it?
Yes.
Alright, one. Well,
Easy.
it works. It works.
That was easy. That part's easy.
No, try with the index paper.
Oh.
Yay! Now, guys, the challenge is.
Oh, I think.
What?
Holy cow.
Oh, I know what to do.
That's impossible.
Impossible. Oh, you have to do that.
Alright, so guys, you have to take the paper.
Kind of
Wait!
like that.
Yeah, kind of like that, but this
But it's
needs
hard.
to stay here. So,
Let's go together. It's hard.
the first step is this paper. So this stands on the cup, and then the last paper, so both cups are.
Wait, do I just do this one first?
okay.
Alright? So this is
Do
for
I do this one
you.
first?
All of you can try, just let me.
Oh, come on. How many try level?
I did it.
I did it, but what if it's I did it! I did it!
Did you?
I did it!
Awesome. Yeah, you did. Good job. How many index cards can you remove from your cups without making them fall? Comment below. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.